The 19th annual Stay in School Calgary Connector Charity Golf Classic was hosted on June 25, 2015 at the beautiful Silvertip Resort in Canmore, Alberta. A special thanks to our title sponsor this year, Calgary Economic Development. The Stay in School program helps local underprivileged kids get access to higher education through mentors and monetary incentives. The program is meant to help students stay in school and focused on their dreams coming true, not just for high school, but for post-secondary as well. Over the past 19 years, the Stay in School program has raised over $1.4 million, helped 177 students, and provided 36,000 mentorship hours. With partnership with Calgary Economic Development, the Calgary Connector program is a simple way for immigrant professional and recent graduates to build out their business network and connect professionals. Through sharing industry information and trends, opening doors, and guiding career pathways, business leaders can enhance labor market connections through the program. Both of these programs are mentorship-based and enable families to get the opportunities required to become stable and gain confidence to strive for future success. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our generous sponsors and donors for supporting the Rotary Club of Calgary's Stay in School program and helping us raise over $50,000 in a challenging economy where every penny matters. Let's keep up the momentum. For more information on the Stay in School and Calgary Connector programs, please visit rotaryclubofcalgary.org and calgaryeconomicdevelopment.com.